I have started the recording again, and I want to show one aspect. I want to show you one aspect that I want to request you guys to make a picture and then add into the assignment file, and that is how we schedule our web pages to publish at a specific time. System will publish them automatically at that specific time. I have shown you already this aspect, but now I'm showing you once again because we want to take a picture of that aspect. So I will open the things once again. I close this one, leave it. I have some changes, but I will leave it. Close this one also. Now we have the same 3 pages again. And here we have our main page, Office 365. Here we have Admin 365, and here we have SharePoint Admin Center, and here we can click on our site. Site is opened here. I want to add a main page with some scheduling. So then you will see here some scheduling, not republish, but scheduling. When we republish, it will right away publish. Okay, let me just do it once. Republish, it is published at this time. Now I will add it again. First of all, I want to see if we have activated scheduling, how that works. We go to documents or we go to pages, site pages, and there we see scheduling. We click and see, yes, it's on, good. Then I just will make a duplicate of this tab. Now on this list, I have this my home page for this site, and I want to edit it, and I want to schedule the edits to publish at a specific time. So then I'm clicking on it, and it will open this page. Now I will click on edit, and I will edit this text, give it a new time so I can see it is edited, and schedule it like after 5 minutes publishing. Scheduled publishing after 5 minutes, and we see what happens. I just write here right now is 12:53, and I'm writing 12:60, 12:59, because 60 then of course will be 1. So I want to publish it at 12:59, almost 6 minutes after. Let's see what happens. How we set that, first of all, that is also the thing. We go to page details, and there we have to set scheduling on. See, this was off, the scheduling on. I have turned it off. Scheduling on, enter a value, publish, how, when, and what day and time we want to publish it. It says automatically same date, but 4 a.m. I will just edit it. I want to make it 12:60. No, of course not. 59. 12:59, yes. Okay, almost 5-6 minutes after now. And at least 12:59 I have written. Now I have scheduled it, see, and we can see on the top schedule. And of course here I have changed the text. How that I can show you. See, here is 12:59. This is just the text that I added. This doesn't have connection with the scheduling. I'm just testing and showing you guys that how this works. I'm writing because I want to see this change. Before it was something else, it was not 12:59. That I can see in my previous file or version, but now I want to see it publish on 12:59. So this is already in the schedule. If I want to see what time it will go publish, we can go to page details. I'll show you once again and take the picture of that page. And that will be our next picture. See here, scheduling is on and it's publishing on this date and this time. Take a picture of this page with these values. Here is your name. Then we can show I have scheduled one page for future publishing. So I will just duplicate this slide here and I have edited and scheduled one. Sorry, I have edited and scheduled. I have edited, sorry, edited one page. I have edited one right page and scheduled its publishing for a future time. And here I will add that picture that is showing this aspect. Now I have more room to make it a little big. It's showing schedule. It's showing here the schedule date and time. Here it's showing the name. And let me grab these things that I can ask you to, make the picture of this slide. And this will be, our picture 8 was already there somewhere. Yeah, it is after these pages. So I have to increase the number over there. So this is now picture number 8. And what I will write here, I have scheduled one page for a future time. I have scheduled publishing of one page for a future time. Picture number 8, I have scheduled publishing of one page for a future time. And usually we have one example also, so I will create one example for you guys also. And other example for picture 8. And let's try to fit it into one line. It's not really necessary, but it looks nice. Okay, I just reduced a little bit the font size. Okay, so this is another example for picture number 8, and this is your name, and of course here also your name. But of course I will change the picture here. I will show you another example. Let me delete this one and go back to our site, and how we will create another example picture to schedule a page. Actually, there is still one thing that I have to click on the schedule, and I will show you the next example. When we do everything, see the time is already passed. So I have to change this one a little bit if we want to test it. Now I will give 105. Okay, let me give 105. Okay, 1:05 a.m. It's already 1:01, so I give 1:06 a.m. 1:07, let's say 1:07 a.m. I save it just to show that change. I will change this also as 1:07. I cannot add am. It's a restriction that allow me only 110 characters here. I can just delete this one and I can write the rest of the things. We can add here 1:07 a.m. nicely. Okay, so the change will be there as soon as I close it, and we can see the schedule time in page details. See 1:07, it's still 1:02, and I can close it, and then I can just click on schedule, and we will see here the date when the page will go live. Click on schedule, and we don't see it. Yes, we see it scheduled for February 2, 1:07 a.m. Take the picture quickly, and then we can see this is our second example, the same page, but a different aspect, that here we see the scheduling date and time. Oops, sorry, I messed it. I click new, get another picture. Oh, it's still not working. Okay, I close it, and then I start it again, and then I see what happens. And we get a picture again. If I'm able to do it all before the scheduled time, that will be good. Okay, I will add it into my PowerPoint slides file, Control V, this picture, resize it nicely, bring it here, send it to back, and it's ready. Here is your name. I make it a little bit more. And this is the title of the picture. So now this is picture number 8. I will renumber next ones. We will see. I just save it, and quickly I want to see if I am then now able to see the changes. If Microsoft allows me with a different username to log in, but if it's only possible if they will allow me to log in with a different username. And that I want to try to Microsoft Edge, because I have only these 3 or 4 browsers. I will try to download another browser. We have many browsers. Next time I will try to download another and set up another browser and see what happens into that one. But let me see if I can log in on Office 360, office.com. Then we'll go to sign in and see what happens. Use another account, and I want to use account number that was biz1. Let me just go there and get exact information so I don't make a mistake. My user accounts are here. No, these are my active sites. These are site pages. These are also site pages. This is my site. I can go to my, active users. Yes. So we tried many users. Surprisingly, they are still there. Users are there. I changed their passwords. And still Microsoft says, no, that user does not exist. Surprising. But anyway, I will try now user number, which one? Then we try user number 100. I just want to try a prominent name. So I remember it, user number 100. I'll change its password and then I will try to log in with that username. Reset password. So password should be reset successfully. Yes. And I click on user 100 and see this is its username. Control C. Time is ticking. It's already 107. No problem. If I am able to log in with this name, I will reschedule the change once again to just test it, but it only depends upon if Microsoft allow me to log in with this username. This manage personal information. Oh, this is from the browser. I don't need to search it. I just have this information I know. Click next and see. No, it says user 100 does not exist there. It is surprising. I don't know. There's something happened and now Microsoft is not allowing my other users to log in. And even the user that I have already logged in, it's not allowing those. I don't know. It's maybe the set 14 days completed or what, or something to what we say double verification. But anyway, if even that verification, it should say some other message. This message is strange that Microsoft account does not exist. The other account that I'm already logged in, or let me try to my own login. That you know, MS. That is, I'm logged in already on Google. Let me try to log in here with this account. Probably the Microsoft would not like it, but at least if recognize the username, then see, it's not even recognizing MS at this website. I don't know if I log out from Chrome, Google Chrome, what will happen. We will see later. Anyway, I'm just closing this one. Sorry, not able to test with a different user that how it looks like published and unpublished pages. But for sure, the scheduling is working that I have shown you in this picture. That see, this says that scheduled for this time publishing, and publishes automatically at that time, and all the changes are on air. And if we uh, refresh this page, we will see what happens. See, now it says published on this date. Time is not shown, but it says published. So the time was over. We set 107, now it is 110. So it is published. Maybe I can save this thing also to show that our page was published at a specific time. See, it says published after the time 1:10 a.m. We have scheduled it 1:07 a.m. at 1:07. So I'm just saving it, taking it to my SharePoint. my site page was scheduled to publish at 1:07 a.m. and I refreshed the page at 1:10 a.m. and see the picture. So now it says published. Okay, so this one is here. Published. So sorry, I just go back. This is again our picture number 8 that just says that scheduling. We have scheduled one of our site pages for future time, just a couple of minutes after now. What means that when we edited, then we scheduled it to publish after like 5 to 10 minutes, and then it said scheduled. Here we can see the time also. Then after that, when we click on scheduled, it was showing here. And after that, when we refresh the page, after the published time was gone, it was showing published. So these two are your examples for the picture number 8. So I'm just stopping once again the recording, and then I will start once again and show you the next picture, the picture number 9, and then picture number 10, and then our assignment will be completed. Now I will show you once again that how we add a link into our navigation menu that we have done already, but I will show you once again because I want to add a picture into the assignment file. So this will be our picture number 9 for our assignment file. So I'll show you how we do that. I just create a page quickly, or just take the address of a previous page quickly and add a menu item into our navigation menu. This is our site, and we have a couple of pages. If we go to the page list, here we have a couple of pages, and anyone that we want to add into our navigation menu, I believe all of them are already there. So let's go and see into the menu, and we have one home page, and we have, this is a URL. This is a page. This one is a page. This is URL. This is 3 page. We have 3 pages. New page, test using new page to test navigation, and new test page to test power automate functions. So let me create, or just we can delete and then add once again. Both things are okay. Anyway, if we create a page, that is also really very quick. We don't need a complicated page. Just we can go to new, click new site page, and here see we have a new page. We can just write here new site page for menu. Okay, or just we just write site page for menu. So we remember site page for menu. That's it. We just save it, publish, and see what happens. System will say, okay, add the page navigation. No, we don't add automatically. We just take copy address. This address will be copied. It is copied. And we just close this one. The page is published, but it's not in the navigation. If we go to here, we don't see here our site page for menu. We don't see site page for menu. We will add it ourselves. How we do that? This is our home page. We don't need to go to home page, but anyway, then we click edit in the navigation menu. And here we want to add a list, add an item, add a link to our this page that we have created already. We have saved its address into the clipboard. And how we add a link, we go here, a green plus sign will come. We click on it, and here we see the link. Yes, it is a link. Address, Control A, Control V. This is complete address. It will include, yeah, HTTPS is included in it. And display name is whatever display name was for our page. Our page name was page for menu. I believe that was site page. That's it, not necessary. We can write anything here. I'm just writing the same thing to remember that this is the page, site page for menu. And here is the, see, it's also saying site page for menu. So this is actually the name of the file. And we can click OK. Then the menu will be added. List will be added. I want to take a picture here that will show that we are adding one link into our navigation menu. So take a picture, new picture. My name will be already there in the right top corner. And here, see, these things are new. And my name here. Control C. So this picture will come here. I want to save it somewhere and make it as my picture number 9. I believe I have like this already, this one already, and this one already. This page, actually, it is another example of this page. So I just duplicate this page, and this one is next topic now. So this picture, now I am able to take picture right when I'm adding the link. So I Control V, I say Control V, click Control V, and here I will write edit navigation menu, add a new link, adding a new link. Okay, so this is adding a new link, and we will make it a picture also for our assignment. So I just go back couple of slides and just copy from there these two things. That was picture number 8. I'll make this the picture number 9. I will use this one. Yeah. So I click on. Sorry. I have not copied it correctly. I just clicked here, but not pressed Control C. Sorry. Both things I want to select, Control C. Go back to my slide and I bring this one. These two pictures, any one of these, this will be the first one. So this will be my picture number 9 that is showing that I have added a link in the navigation menu. And I have added a link in the navigation menu. Maybe I can write I am adding, because right now we are doing that. I'm adding a link in navigation menu, and my name is here. And on the example, the second example here, also once again, another example for picture number 9. I'm adding a navigation. I'm adding a link in navigation menu. I'm adding a link in navigation menu. So this will be our picture number 9. This one picture or this one picture similar to this one, of course, showing your own name. These will be picture number 9. And now I can just renumber the picture number that I have given 8 before, but now we have 10 pictures. So this will be picture number 10. A new list is created in new SharePoint site. An example for same picture number 10, a new list is created in new SharePoint site. So now we have exactly 10 pictures that we can add into our assignment, and the assignment for week number 4 will be completed. And thank you very much for watching the videos, and please complete your assignment and submit it. The folder is already there, and I will schedule it till next Saturday that you can submit your assignments without any late title. Thank you very much, and I'm stopping now the recording, and I will mute the mic and of course stop sharing, and the meeting will be over now. Soon I will upload this file and also the files for our recording files for our class meeting, and now you will see them on the YouTube. The link will be there in the Blackboard.